In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect ClickWhale with OttoKit and automate your link management workflows. With OttoKit, you can connect ClickWhale to more than 1,500 apps and automatically perform actions whenever events happen inside ClickWhale. Let's get started. First, navigate to OttoKit installed on your website. Then click Create from Scratch and set the name of your workflow, then click Create. The first step is choosing a trigger. A trigger is the event that starts your automation. For ClickWhale, you can choose from triggers such as link created, link updated, link deleted, link clicked. For this example, we'll select link clicked. Now, it's time to choose what should happen after the trigger fires. OttoKit supports actions such as create link, update link, delete link, get link details. After selecting your action, map the data fields between ClickWhale and your destination app. This allows OttoKit to automatically pass information from one platform to another. Review your settings and test the workflow to make sure everything works as expected. That's it! You've successfully connected ClickWhale with OttoKit and created your first automated workflow. You can repeat the same process to build more advanced automations and connect ClickWhale with the tools you already use every day.